My video tutorial is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site privacymester.com. This is the pop-up that actually promotes installation of certain unwanted browser extensions which may actually hijack the browser settings without your permission. Therefore, whenever you see these pop-ups by privacymester.com, don't trust them and don't install what these pop-ups promote. And by the way, if any junk extensions were mistakenly installed to your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then remove any junk extensions if you find them. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with the Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to fully detect and then eliminate other threats which still might possibly stealthily remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.